Ano yung nakikita ko doon? So, meaning, mas expensive si Deluxe Ocean View. Magsawa ka na dyan, girl, di ba? Yung parang feeling ko, dito naman tayo, di ba? Ano to?
That's the restaurant po.
Ay,
Kinain
diyan kami
niyo
galing kanina.
Yeah.
Alam mo talagang ano siya, para kasi maluwag na sa paghinga yung amoy ng kwarto. Oo. The design itself, nagmukha siyang malaki. Di ba? Oh my God! Oh, nakikita niyo ba to? Ito yung
The kids zone.
Yay.
From 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and our porthole.
Dito, pwede mo makita
Pwede
dito.
mo makita, pwede kang mag-take ng picture sa kanya and record.
Oh my God, I like it!
Si DJ Once, ang saya-saya. Si DJ Once, ang sarap tumawa. Si DJ Once, sa inyo ay bibisita. Si DJ Once, gagawin kayong bida. Si DJ Once, ang saya-saya. Si DJ Once, ang sarap tumawa. Si DJ Once, sa inyo ay bibisita. Si DJ Once, gagawin kayong bida.
Alright, so welcome to the Bellevue Resort, the only 5-star resort in Bohol.
The only 5-star hotel?
Yes, the
Ooh.
OT accredited 5-star here in Bohol.
Kita mo yung mga trophies.
Oh.
We have here
Sila
all
pa
our
doon.
trophies and awards.
These trophies, sila yung nagpo-prove na talagang maganda yung service ng
Yeah.
properties dito. Oh, nakita nyo yan ha. Kung gaano kaganda ang mga tropeyo, ganun kaganda yung
Oh, wow.
nag-aano sa atin, magtutour. Kaya naman, ano naman masasabi mo sa halamang ito? Nakakuha din ba siya ng award? Hindi.
Alright. Okay, let's proceed na po.
Okay.
Alright. So this is the lobby po. This is the front desk. This is where we do our check-in, check-out. Their operation time is 24 hours. We have here our lobby kiosk. Operation time as well is 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. We have here our honesty store. This one is not from ours. This is from outsource, so they will have to pay, put their payment here. So it says honesty store. All right. This way.
Ito yung uso na na pag kumbaga parang bahala ka na kung anong ibabayad mo.
Yes.
Pero may
They
price
have their
naman,
own
di ba?
price tags.
May price.
Oo.
For example, ito, kukuha ka, nakalagay dito 350. Kung honest ka, magbabayad ka ng 350.
350.
Kung hindi ka honest, magbabayad ka ng 150.
150.
Pero kung galante ka, babayaran mo ng 1,000. Kasi ang labis doon, sa'yo mapupunta, tama? Okay. Wala ko, sorry.
So this is the welcome lobby or the welcome pavilion. That's the concierge area. That's where we usually put the welcome lace, cold towels. We give cold towels and welcome drinks.
Oh, eto natanong ko na to ha. Natanong ko na to sa ibang hotel. Bakit, ikaw baka masasagot mo to, bakit ang lahat ng mga hotel may pa-welcome drinks pero walang pa-goodbye drinks? Ay, hindi
Para
rin niya
bumalik
nasagot.
sila.
Oo, para bumalik.
sila.
Kasi kapag, uy, ang talino niya. Kasi pag nagbigay ka ng goodbye drinks, goodbye na
Goodbye na
forever.
forever.
Pero kung
So-
di ka nagbigay ng goodbye drinks, you're very much welcome again and again.
Again
Ang
and again and
ganda
again.
mo, tumakbo kang senador.
Here in Bellevue, we have different room category. First one is the superior room. This one.
What do you call this? Superior room?
This is a superior room.
Yan tayo eh. Hindi gumagana sa superior eh.
Bakit hindi siya?
Ay! Girl, minus 10 ka doon. Minus 10 ka dyan. Ayan.
Alright, sorry
Last
for
points
that.
na ulit. Nakabalik na tayo. Ooh!
Alright, so this is
a
the
superior room.
or what they call also the entry room. This is 38 square meter with a 2 single bed.
Okay.
And all of our rooms has a bathtub as well.
Even the cheapest, even the
Yes, this
cheapest
is the standard room,
Oo.
entry level room.
Pero basically, lahat may
May
bathtub. Ang taray. Pero may bathtub pero walang bath towel.
Meron.
Meron.
Of course,
Okay, kasi baka
yes.
mamaya may bathtub. Tas walang... Ano yung nakikita ko doon?
That's the balcony.
Oh, let's see.
May bathtub plus undi. Yan.
Yung size ng balcony, depende din sa kung ano? O same size
Same
lang
lang
ng
po
balcony?
talaga.
Whether
Nasa
the
superior
most
room.
expensive at saka the
It
cheapest,
depends on the room category.
Magkano to?
This one for this for the published rate po, nasa mga 18,000 without any promos. But for the best available rate, everyday nagpa-fluctuate po yung rate. This is around 9,000 to 10,000
Oh,
per night.
not bad.
Ay, okay.
Ang galing mo magbukas ng pinto, girl. Powerful yung mga arms mo.
Dati kasi siyang abridor.
Oh, di ba? Kamag-anak ng abrilata.
This way po. For the next room naman, the deluxe and deluxe ocean view. Although the interior itself sa room mismo, same lang talaga sila. The difference lang is the view outside, which is the ocean view talaga siya.
So, meaning, mas expensive si Deluxe
Deluxe
Ocean
Ocean
View
View.
compared kay Deluxe Room.
Yes.
Oh. May single ka pa?
Yes po.
May asawa ka na?
Wala pa.
Wala kang asawa?
Wala pa.
Wala kang boyfriend? Alam mo, ang ganda mo yan, wala kang boyfriend, siguro masama yung ugali. Kaya ganun.
Ganun talaga.
Ang ganda niya eh. Uy,
Alright.
teka lang, wait, deluxe pa lang to?
Deluxe ocean view.
Deluxe Ocean View. Pero ang laki ng inilaki niya compared sa superior.
Yes po, the size of this room is 41 to 45 square meter. Kasama niya yung balcony. And then for the deluxe room, either 1 king or 2 queen.
Oh.
So for a couple, they would book a deluxe room ocean view with 1 king.
Mhm.
But for family, they would like to book this room. This room is good for 2 adults and 2 kids. As pareha din ng superior, 2 adults and 2 kids.
How about
That's the
additional
standard.
additional person? May ganun ba dito?
For maximum of 3 adults, for the additional, we will be adding 2,500 for extra bed with breakfast. That's per night.
Okay. Oh, may ganito May pagsawa ka na dyan, girl, di ba? Yung parang feeling ko, dito naman tayo, di ba?
And this is the view po.
Ito yung ocean view. Tingnan natin, ha? Kasi di ba, ang sarap din talaga kapag yung pagkagising mo, makikita mo na agad yung ocean.
Ocean.
Wala pala. Akala ko, ito pala. Ayan. Ay, ito. Oh. May pa-side view. Pa-side view ng ocean.
Pa-side view to ng ocean.
Oo.
Dun sa may dulo talaga, yun talaga yung perfect ocean view on this side.
Oo. Ano to?
That's the restaurant po.
Ay,
Yung
diyan kami
kinainan
galing kanina.
Yes.
Ay, so, ilang rooms yung hindi namin mapapasok ngayon?
4 different room category.
Na
The
mas
suite room.
mas pricey compared dito.
Mas pricey compared to this one.
Ah,
May separate
akala ko ba
living room.
naghihirap ang Pilipinas? Bakit fully book kayo, be?
Hindi.
Eh,
Oo.
nakakaloka. Uy, alam mo,
Ito
Para-
yung mga contractors.
oo. Feeling ko related kayo sa flood control. Sorry, ocean
naman.
control lang pala
Ocean
sila.
control.
Ocean control. Wait lang. Okay, dahil ito na yung last room pala. Uy, naloka naman ako bigla. Parang, kahit ang mahal ng presyo ng gas, fully book kayo.
Yes, yung mga suite room talaga. Most of the,
Not the entry level.
Oo, kung ano pa yung mga pinakamura, yun yung available ngayon. Yung
Yeah.
mga mahal, yun pa yung iba kayo. Oh my God. Nabitin lang ako kasi parang feeling ko, nagandahan na ako dito, pero hindi natin mapapasok yung much pricey na na kwarto. Pero one thing is for sure, fully book kayo sa gantong season, ibig sabihin, maganda yung service nyo dito. Nakita ko meron kayong infinity pool.
yes, that's the Infinity Pool. Operation time po is 6 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Oh.
This is the Lamian restaurant, by the way. This is where we usually have our breakfast buffet.
The buffet.
Buffet. Here and sa garden.
Mm.
And we also serve lunch and dinner for this restaurant. It serves modern Filipino food.
Ito nga pala, ito siya ang may-ari ng Irish Travel and Tours.
Welcome to Bellevue.
Si
I'm
Boss
Julie,
Lee.
ma'am. Welcome to Bellevue.
Can you imagine? Single siya.
Wow.
Oh my God. That's my question. Why?
Single din siya.
Pumapatol ka ba sa bakla? Oh, play area for the kids.
For the kids and for adults, there's a Switch Nintendo.
Mhm. pagkakaalam ko, isa sa mga dancer ng aqua dance nandito. Ano ba? Hindi ba? Hindi. Ikaw aqua dancer. Ito, aqua queen. Oo, di ba?
Mas mataas ka, sir.
Di ba? Mas mataas pa. Aqua high queen. Di ba? Bakla ka. Ay, siya na naman.
Yeah.
Kuya, kanina dancer ka, ngayon masahista ka naman. Ang dami mo namang role.
One showroom.
Andito na naman yung queen. My God. Anong pinakamabentang masahe dito?
Recommended. Couples massage po, sir.
Ba't parang galit ka naman sa akin? Okay. Ano? The couples. Paano kung single ka lang nagpunta dito?
Okay. So this is the ano po. So we have here the shower room.
Alam mo talagang ano siya, para kasi maluwag na sa paghinga yung amoy ng kwarto. Oo. The eucalyptus is
Yeah.
spreading everywhere.
Alright. So we also have here the Maria Bar. They serve drinks up until 11 p.m. So while enjoying your drinks, it's overlooking po sa beach.
Hello, Mr. DJ. Welcome to Big Grand, sir.
Hey, it's my pleasure to be here. Ayan, and very aesthetic, no?
Yeah, welcome.
So Ariel, kung gagawa ko ng quick visit dito sa inyong hotel, ano yung mga best things na meron sa inyong hotel that people need to be seen?
Sir, I would like you to show our Grand Villa.
Let's go,
over
let's
there.
go.
Let's go.
Grand Villa?
Yes, the Grand Villa.
Grand Villa is the most expensive
the
rooms
most
that we have
expensive.
here.
Yes, po, sir. And it's
Oh.
actually our two-story na villa, and the rate is also good for 4 adults and 2 kids. So it's very good for the family. Apart from that, our Grand Villa has also a private pool, surrounded by private pools.
Oh, so
Mm-mm.
parang
That only Villa guests
parang-
po yung may access.
the villa guest.
Yes,
I
oo.
thought once na meron kang villa room, may sarili kang pool. Hindi, lahat ng mga nakavilla.
Lahat naman
Sa inyo lang
nakavilla.
yan. Hi, good
Yes, po.
afternoon. Kamukha niya si Wawi de Guzman. Oh, ang pogi ni Kuya. Siguro isa sa mga boyfriend ni Sir Oriel. Hello. Uy, teka lang, bago ang lahat ang lamig ng aircon ng nila, ng CR. I'm sure marami nagsabi sa inyo, ang lamig kasi nag-CR ako, sobrang lamig, nakakahiyang umutot o kaya dumumi. Kasi pag ganun kalakas yung aircon, amoy na amoy ng lahat ng papasok. So eto,
Let's pass this.
okay.
Oo.
May rotonda kasi dito para hindi mag-traffic. Iikot ka para hindi kayo magkasalubong.
So this is one of our outlets. Ito po yun, the bridge.
We call it the bridge.
The bridge. So they're only open from 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. sir.
It offers what?
This offers, lang po, sir, yung light snacks like pizzas and then shakes.
Wait, it capture my senses. No swimming for diving lessons only.
Kasi 10
So this
feet.
is really deep.
Yes.
Oh my God! Nakaka-excite! Gusto ko to. So training para sa mga mag-i-scuba doon sa
Yes. Before the actual dive sa dagat, so dito po yung practice.
Na-excite naman ako dito.
So,
Ang hirap
10 feet.
kasing makakita ng malalalim na na pool. Oh my God.
We have that here.
I like that. Bridge Cafe.
Bridge
Oh,
Cafe.
di ba? Bridge. Gaganto ka din, Sir Oriel. Bridge Cafe. Hey! Eto na. I'm sure masarap ang kape dito.
Oo.
Sure ako.
Hello.
Hi. Uy, gusto ko yung design. Parang hindi kayo lumalayo sa design ng lobby hanggang dito sa loob because it's the same
Yeah.
aesthetic design.
Same aesthetic design.
Yeah.
Mhm.
I like it.
So we're entering the villa.
We are now
We're entering
entering
the villa.
villa.
So, lahat na nandito, the two-story villas are the grand villas or the family villas.
When we are talking about villas, these are the most expensive rooms in the hotel.
Yes.
Kaya naman may nakalagay, exclusive to the villas residents only. Kaya kung medyo nandun po kayo sa, magaganda din naman ang room, pero hindi kasing mahal lang nasa villas na to, sorry ka na lang. At dahil bayad kami dito, papasok kami dito. Sa the villa.
The
Uy,
villas.
diba?
Yes. Iba yung ambience dito, sir. Pagpasok nito sa dito na
Parang
area,
parang
very private.
parang rest house. Ganun yung ganun yung dating niya.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ito po, Villa 10.
Villa 10.
So when you enter,
Oh, guys, welcome to Nova Villa 10.
welcome
Ang
to
lamig,
your villa.
Diyos ko.
Malamig na naman.
Ang lam- Oh my,
very
ang
huge.
ganda. Ang ganda nito, mga ka-people. My God. So, can you imagine? Magbabakasyon ka, tapos ganito, isang bahay na talaga,
Isang
no?
bahay na talaga.
I
One master's
love it.
bedroom dito and then another bedroom sa itaas.
Ang masters nasa baba.
Ang master's nasa baba.
Yung extra bedrooms ang nasa taas.
Nasa taas.
So, meaning, ito yung pinakamagandang room dito. Masters, silipin natin. Silipin natin. Ang laki. Actually, hindi naman siya ganun kalaki, but the design itself, nagmukha siyang malaki. Di ba? Oh, the welcome for lovers.
Welcome, Sir DJ.
Welcome to B Grand Hotel. Oh, may grand pala yun. B Grand Hotel. Ayan. So, this is the master's bedroom. At wag nating kalilimutan,
Ito pa yung
may
comfort room, sir.
Oh!
Napakalaki.
Oh
Pwede
my
sumayaw
God!
sa ano.
Oh, nakikita niyo ba to? Ang ganda! Ang
Napakalaki.
ganda niya!
So separate shower and toilet. And
Oh
then
my God!
the bathtub.
Ang ganda no. My God, Sir Uriel. Ba't gano'n? Napaka-unfair nyo. Nakakainis. I like this. So, grabe, no? I mean, magkano nag-range to?
It's about 45,000, sir.
A
Per
night?
Yes.
Okay. And
But the
ano
rate
yung
is
ano
good
ano yung
for-
nakaano doon? Ano yung inclusive sa 45,000?
Yeah. When you book for a Grand Villa, sir, that the rate is good for 4 adults, and if you have kids, at least 2 kids, ages 12 below, and then kasama na din po yung transportation from and to the airport or seaport.
Okay, so 4 adults and 6 kids.
No, 4 adults and 2 kids.
4 adults and 2
Two
kids.
kids.
So a total of 6 people.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Kaya naman yung master's bedroom nasa baba, ilang rooms sa taas?
Isa lang, sir. But there are 2 single beds.
Okay.
Oo.
Isa lang.
Isa lang.
So
Here.
this
This
is
is
the second room.
second room. So 2 single
Not
beds.
bad. Not bad. Not bad for for extra room sa itaas, 2 single room, 2 single bed.
Beds.
Ayan, and
And then they have 2 separate na bathroom, di ba?
Oh.
Yung kanina sa baba,
para hindi na akit na
hindi na
bahay.
akit baba. And then dito, may ano din sila, separate na bathroom and toilet.
This one?
Yes.
Okay. Ooh.
Para hindi na akit baba.
Okay. Yeah. Nice. Yung kids, paano, like, 4 adults kasi, for example, a couple sa baba, master's bedroom yun. And we still have 2 adults and 2 kids.
Yeah, the 2 adults can stay here while the kids are, they can join sa masters or eto po, yung sa sofa bed,
Mhm.
pwede to siya magawing bed sa gabi.
Oh! So,
Oo.
adjustable siya.
Yes.
Convertible sa
Yes.
bed before a sofa. Charas.
You can check the veranda, sir. I'll
Let's
show you
go.
something doon po.
Let's go. This is amazing. Alam mo, fan talaga ako ng high ceiling.
High ceiling.
Oh, kasi parang feeling ko, kapag high ceiling siya, parang you can breathe. Kahit hindi ganun kalawak wide, pero kapag yung ceiling mataas, parang you can breathe properly.
Tama.
So this is the veranda.
The veranda.
Oh,
for
it's
the
so
veranda,
nice.
for the veranda, sir, you have the option for your breakfast if you want a floating breakfast. Yung breakfast na nilagay sa pool.
Oh,
Or-
I like it.
Veranda breakfast. Yung breakfast, yung villa host talaga maglalagay ng breakfast dito.
Dito. Pero,
Yeah.
di ba para sa mga IG Instagrammable pictures, parang gusto mo yung breakfast mo nakalutang sa pool. So, kamusta
Tama.
naman kapag natapon yung juice sa pool? Ah,
Wala pa namang case, sir.
Wala pa. Natapon yung yung kaldereta natapon sa pool. Wala naman. Okay. Kasi malaki naman yung
Malaki
floating
naman yung,
device.
yung floating na tray, malaki naman siya.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now,
So,
sino may birthday? Bakit may palobo dito? Sino may celebrate? Ah, hindi pala siya. Matigas
night
pala
lamp po.
siya. Akala ko lobo siya.
Night lamp na po siya.
So, a total of 45,000 a night. Dito tayo sa loob para malamig.
para malamig.
Tapos balikan natin yung ano kasi, my God, I really
Kasi mas
love
malamig.
the room.
Yeah.
So, a total of 45,000 for 4 adults and 2
Two
kids. Tapos, ano yung bukod dun sa ganda ng lugar? Kasi, let's face it, if you have money and if you want to spend a lot of money sa vacation mo and pipiliin mo to, you are expecting something else. The treatment, the amenities and everything. Sa palagay mo, why should I pay 45,000 sa villa ng Big Grand Hotel?
Kasi it's all about the villa service, sir. So, once you check in sa villa, so we have a dedicated na villa host, or we call it the butler, that is intended for you during your whole stay. And he will take care of you.
Wait lang, kung lahat accommodated na lahat, one person per villa?
Hindi naman po.
Hindi
Bali, ano naman siya, like one villa host, like 4 villas, or 3 villas.
Okay.
Yung ratio niya.
Okay.
Oo.
So, kumbaga, may sarili kang taga-entertain sa'yo kung ano yung kailangan mo at kailangan mong malaman kapag nasa... Ang
It's a very
ganda!
personalized service po, sir. So you'll be in touch with the villa host all throughout. Whatever you need, you can just call or text him, and then he will be right away.
Ang bongga.
Yeah.
So, hindi ka nadadaan sa reception.
Hindi ka nadadaan sa reception. The check-in and check-out will be done inside the villa, and even the villa host can pick you up and drop you off sa port.
Oh.
Yeah. And he will introduce himself to you.
So, kumbaga parang, wait lang, pag-isipan mo mabuti kasi kung maglalabas ako ng 45,000 per night, meron kang personal,
Yeah.
personal person, tsaka. Meron kang personal someone na mag-a-assist
Yeah.
sa'yo.
Yeah.
Oh, I like
He
that.
can also join you with the tours po, sir. Like, for example, if you prefer to have a countryside tour or island hopping, and if you requested that person to join with you,
Mhm.
it's okay then.
How about big group of family? I mean, it's more than 4 adults,
Mhm.
more than 2 kids, and I wanna take 2 villas or 3 villas na di-discounted, nagkakaroon ba ng discount
Meron
just
naman
in
po.
case na mas marami kang villa na kukuhanin?
Yeah.
Oh,
Meron naman, sir.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Parang okay, usually ilang percent?
I'm not sure of the percentage, sir, but definitely we'll give discounts naman po.
Oh.
We're flexible on the rates naman din po.
Nice. Nice. I like it. Ang ganda.
Yes.
Alam mo, Arcel, nagugustuhan mo din. Nakikita ko sa mukha mo. Nagustuhan mo din. Saka si Noah. Lahat kayo dyan. Parang gusto namin, pagbalik namin dito sa Bohol, parang gusto ko sa bilan ng ng Big Grand. Iba.
Kunin natin,
Yeah.
sir.
Gawa natin ng paraan.
Ito din po, this one is also free. Whatever is inside the minibar, it's also free.
Oh, kasi sa iba, di ba, kailangan mong
Ito,
bayaran,
ito.
matcha-charge sa'yo.
Yes.
So, ito, lahat free na
Lahat
siya.
na free. Ito din, yung free, including this Nespresso. And
Ay, pwede ko siyang iuwi.
Ano yun?
Sorry. Akala
can
ko
just
pwede
make your
iuwi. Magkano na agad ako?
Ay,
Mag-invest agad ako ng 45,000 kasi ito pa lang, alam ko na kung magkano yung presyo nito eh.
yung coffees na po.
Oo.
And then the tumblers, these are also souvenirs. You can take this home.
No way! Totoo! Oh my God! Eh, pwede naman palang mag-uwi. Bakit hindi nyo pa ito isama? Kasi mainit talaga yung mata ko dito eh. Sa coffee
The tumblers
maker.
lang.
Ang galing. Naku, magugustuhan to ng roommate ko kasi nag-uuwi talaga siya ng mga bagay.
Bagay na bagay.
Marcel. Ayan. And the umbrella. How about the umbrellas? Also,
Ano?
pwedeng iuwi?
Hindi.
Sayang. Kasi nakita ko eh. Medyo maganda rin yung quality ng umbrella nila dito eh. So nice. So nice. Okay. What else can you add na makakapag-convince sa bawat Filipinos and other nationalities na if I'm going to Bohol, I want the Big Run to be my place to have my vacation.
No, actually, Big Grand Resort talaga is really good for families. Na like when you stay here, wala ka nang ibang iisipin. Like staycation, pure staycation lang talaga. Like we can take care of you during your whole stay, from morning till night, and then we also offer na excursions that you can avail. And we'll be taking care of you naman po.
In addition of amenities, ano pa ba yung meron sa hotel ninyo? I'm sure hindi na natin maiikot kasi ang laki-laki din kasi yung hotel ninyo. Mapapagod tayo.
Kompleto po tayong lahat, sir.
Like, ano yung mga meron?
We have 24 hours na gym. We have a 24 hours na gym. We also have a kids zone. That's for the kids ages like siguro by 8 years old below. Like parang a kids corner siya na air-conditioned room. We also have a game room that's also free. We also have a free kayak doon po sa beach natin.
No
An
way.
inflatable playground sa beach.
Yung kayak libre.
Kayak is free at saka yung inflatable playground. Yung talagang playground talaga sa
Wait,
by the
ang
beach.
kayak libre sa nakabila lang or sa lahat
Sa
ng
lahat.
guests? Oh my
It's
God! Libre yung kayak sa lahat ng guests.
From
Even
8
if
to
you
5.
avail the cheapest price ng room dito. Oh, that's so nice.
It's really good for families talaga, sir.
Mm.
At sa mga gusto talaga mag-vacation na talaga, stress-free talaga. Everything is in here. We have 4 different outlets that you can choose to dine, and then yung different amenities that we have here, including the ones that yung sa diving pool. In case that you want to dive, so we also have the diving pool para sa yung sa lessons before the actual dive.
Uy, biglang may nag-pop up sa utak ko. Ito, bihira itong itanong sa mga gumagawa ng ocular content sa mga hotels. How about the first aid? Kasi nakakalimutan nating itanong, pag nandyan ako, may mangyari sa akin, how safe I am.
The first aid.
When it comes to my medical condition or when it comes to my privacy condition.
Our clinic is available 24 hours. Sir. 24/7 talaga.
You have
clinic.
doctors?
Ang doctors natin, sir, is on call, but we have our nurses naman po. On
Okay.
standby. Yeah.
And how safe am I kapag nandito ako sa hotel? I mean, like, alam naman natin that hotel can be entered by bad people. How safe am I kapag nasa loob ako ng Big Grand Hotel?
No, it's very, very safe naman po, sir. Like, lahat naman nakatutok naman in all areas. We have security.
You have securities.
Yes po.
Yeah.
Even sa lahat ng corners talaga ng area kasi, the nearby lots are hindi naman control natin, but the end station, meron na kami security din.
So nice.
It's very, very safe naman po, sir. Like, lahat naman nakatutok naman in all areas. We have security.
You have securities.
Yes po.
Yeah.
Even sa lahat ng corners talaga ng area kasi, the nearby lots are hindi naman control natin, but the end station, meron na kami security din.
So nice. So, ito yung
The kids zone.
Yay.
From 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and our porthole where you can see yourself while
Ito yung 10 feet na malalim kanina na bawal ang swimming, only for diving.
Yeah.
So, kung halimbawa meron kang kasama na nagda-diving lesson dito, pwede mo makita
pwede
dito.
mo makita, pwede kang mag-take ng picture sa kanya and record.
Oh my God, I like it!
Our porthole. It's very unique.
Oo, I mean, and it's big, ha?
Yes.
Grabe. I like it. How much is the cheapest room?
The cheapest room, sir, it's actually 7,500. Deluxe room siya. Oo. But even our standard rooms po, yung the cheapest room has a bathtub na din. At saka yung tumblers din. Yung kanina.
So, lahat ng rooms ninyo may bathtub?
Lahat ng rooms na may bathtub. And then, regarding for the beds, mostly are 2 queen size. We don't have a single beds. Unlike lang yung kanina. Kasi yun yung common na ano sa mga guests na mag-inquire about the beds na anong gusto nila, ayaw nila ng single bed kasi maliit. Diba yung same sa kanina.
Oo.
So mostly of our beds, 2 queen size and then we have a 1 king size bed.
This is
This is the food hall, our main restaurant outlet. Dito din isi-serve yung breakfast every day.
Pasukin na rin natin. Dali,
Pasok
dali,
tayo.
dali. Tignan natin. Oh, it's automatic. Nakita ko talaga, it's kusang, pasara ulit. Para makita natin it's automatic. Ay, hindi pala siya na ano sa... Paano ba siya magsasara? Ayan, yan. Oh my God. Let's try it again.
Nakamay ka ba ko?
It's automatic! Oh, diba? Ang taray.
Automatic.
Ang ganda. Uy.
The design is ano po siya, sir? Industrial na aesthetics. Kaya pag ganito may
At saka ito, this one.
At saka yung
This is very
chairs.
industrial. Ito. Yeah.
Industrial na aesthetics.
I love the color.
So dito isa-serve yung breakfast everyday, sir, from 6 to 10
And
PM.
definitely, it's a buffet.
Buffet.
Diba?
Oo. But yun yung sa mga other non-villa guests. Pag villa, pwede naman silang mag-join dito
Okay.
for breakfast. But yung kanina na offer, yun talaga yung na-offer namin for the villa. If they want to have a private breakfast doon sa veranda nila or yung floating na breakfast.
Okay.
Unique also, sir, this one, our wet dining area.
Oo.
Pag ang mga guests na naliligo from the pool
Mhm.
and wanted to dine, pwede naman sila mag-lounge there.
Ah,
Kasi
oo.
they are very wet.
Kasi may table, ayun oh.
Yeah.
'Di ba? May table doon na nasa ano,
Tables and chairs.
pool. So pwede talagang maglagay ng pagkain tsaka alak, right? Hanggang anong oras ang pool?
Ang pool is until 10 p.m.
Okay.
And also this outlet is 10 p.m. din.
Oh,
But our room service is until 12 midnight.
okay. Bongga. Halika na. Umakit na tayo ulit sa... Ay, nakasalubong na naman natin si Wawi de Guzman. Pangalan niya is si Dominic, di ba? Hi! Ayan. So guys, pinapakilala ko sa inyo, Luz Biminda. Ayan. Sila ang tatlong babaeng bumubuo sa Pilipinas. Si Luzon, si Visayas, at si Mindanao. Ayan. At syempre, kung kasama natin ang Luz Biminda, kasama natin ang nag-iisang presidente. Sir Riel, thank you so much sa
Sir
time.
DJ.
Na alam mo, na-enjoy ko siya. As in, ang
Thank you.
sarap. Ang ganda, ang sarap magsi dito. So, once again, paki-invite po ang lahat ng mga taong makakapanood ng ating video to visit your amazing, amazing hotel dito sa sa Bohol.
Okay, so to the people out there na napapanood ito, so if you want to visit Bohol, so I want you to try B Grand Resort Bohol. So once na maka-check-in na kayo dito, wala na kayong hahanapin ng iba, we'll be taking care of you from morning until the evening.
Bongga.
Bongga.
Last question. Taken or single?
Si DJ Once, ang saya-saya. Si DJ Once, ang